Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how we can use Handbrake to compress the video file size. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the open video file, and from here I'm going to be choosing this specific video as an example. So it's going to be test, and then I'm going to use this video right here. Now, normally, I think this is around 20 megabytes. Let's go ahead and double check just to make sure how much file size we'll go ahead and save. So right now it's 11.7 megabytes. Let's head over to our Handbrake. And from here, I suggest choosing something like MP4 for the format. And then you want to head over to video. This is where we'll adjust most of our setting. Basically, if you're using something like an NVIDIA graphics card, you could select the H264 NVENC, or you could select default if you want to, or if you're not using an NVIDIA graphics card. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. But for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and use the regular one. Now from here, you want to choose something like same as source, but of course, if you want to lower down the video file size even more, I suggest choosing something like 30 or below 30. From there, let's click on the constant frame rate. The color range is going to be full. And for the encoder preset, if you want to prioritize more resources to Handbrake, you could edit this out. But generally, what we're after is the constant quality. Now with this one, if you select something like 0, it will be perfect quality, or it will not degrade the quality whatsoever. But if you select something like the lower quality, it will go ahead and raise the 51 RF score, but it will significantly hit the quality of your video. So you want to go ahead and balance this out. You want to look for a perfect number. In our case, let's use something like 30. And now if you're ready to go, just click on the start encode button, and then it will simply start encoding your video right here. And after waiting for a couple of seconds, basically our video is from 11 megabytes. As we can go ahead and see right here, we have reduced it to basically 3 megabytes, which is a really huge decrease in file size. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.